He's go, um, and he keeps saying that, it's go, you want me to be friend with him, but not talking about a relationship, and and he can be with any other woman, but I can't question him about other women, He just want me to be with him, but keep going. He can be with other women. And I say, if you can, if you not, if you start like if you don't have it, I say, like, be honest, okay? I honest what I say. I don't really just man that they don't know what they want, and I know what exactly I want, and what I'm looking for. I feel like that you is more not happy with one woman, and I don't think you're really happy with one woman. I don't think you're really happy with me. And you say that, but you say all this thing, I say, I don't know, but I just be honest, you just like say that I'm
Same time, the
he
Roman
just tell
Church
me that he not ready for a relationship, he not ready for commandment, he not ready for um any woman, yeah, so I was like, okay, and I not say I see you not ready anything, so um
the church
for
was
me that he just want, like his opinion, he just want a woman. He had like a
especially
four women
like that.
in Baltimore, and maybe what two women in South, close to what he gonna go work tomorrow. And he had three in Virginia, white girl. So he had a lot of women around, and not just in those places too. And he had few women in Maine. In Maine, I think he picked one woman in New 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 not New Jersey, New Hampshire, and he know one woman in Hampshire. Okay, um, he just wanna meet women different, but if he go work, then he gonna go back with that woman. If he go work, then he go back to other woman in different state. In Maine, probably he know me. When he come back to Maine works in the summertime, he like me to keep here. And if he go to Baltimore, he wanna at least have one few women there. And if you go to Virginia, he want few that woman that he been with. If we go to that place tomorrow, he work close to New Jersey, and he have a few a woman that he can look for it. It- That's how Kevin is, And I feel like I don't want to get disease. I don't want to get HIV. I don't want to get AIDS. So I told him that I don't think I like to have those kind of companion with you, different thing. You're not seriously. I don't know what you've been to, and I'm not looking for those kind of relationship. You're confusing me, and I don't want to get disease. I don't want to get sick, and I know I care about myself. I don't want to get any disease, anything. So I wouldn't sleep with you no more like that. He got mad. He just had. So
So what are you doing with him then?
yeah, I told him that I don't want to get
Well, you
disease.
know all that, so I mean, it's no surprise. So you know,
Yeah,
like
I
the
try to
like
protect
like
me
like you heard
myself.
the question on that show, what the woman said, and the advice given to the woman, about the man who works in all these different states traveling.
Yeah, and I don't want to get disease. I don't want to get HIV because it's disease is out there. Okay, disease is out there. Uh, Cancer is out there. Woman said disease is out there because it's a lot. Women have chlamydia, they have STD, they have when I start they have I don't think they can get HIV easy, but you can be. Women had chlamydia, HDD, population human that thing what I got for Jamaica, those they come back, they treat it. Sometimes they have to cut your pussy and stuff like that. Sex is danger. If you have he's sleeping around like that with women, he can get sick and I can get sick because me, I don't sleep around like him. So him, I can get disease from him. That's why my grandma told me. My grandma say if Kevin keep doing that, you're not afraid you're gonna get like a disease or disease is seriously. If you get it, you can that forever. It's not anything that sad disease is really seriously. My grandma say if you get that, the rest of your life, you know, if he's sleeping around like that with different women, that do you think that I care about you? It's my grandma say is there. You need to be careful with him, And I say, yeah, grandma, I think you're right. And I told him that I don't want to have sex with him no more. So. And I know he cheated on me already. I think after I sleep with him, he never sleep with other women yet when I went to Baltimore. And I have feeling he did cheating on me with his ex. When I come back, now almost a month now, I did not see him. So I have feeling he cheating on me already. So I told him I don't think